Hi, just a quick update to where we are at the moment with the van build. We decided to use the aluminium extrusion profiles, the T-slots. There's lots of videos on the web where you can, YouTube, that you can see how people put them together. I'm not going to do that. Basically, we use PVC profiles. This is the 6mm that's inside the sides that you can see here. There's all 6mm that fits inside the slot. So yeah, it makes just life easier. We've got the bulkhead here, and then also we got a door going through to the cab. I modified the seats. That is, there is YouTube's where we've done that, or showed that. The black section here, that's also going to get the same as the bulkhead, wood slats, and there at the back is also going to be wood slats. Right, this Unistrut channel up here and on that side, that's the guide for the bed. The bed is going to be lifting up and rest onto your bench. This is the bench area, so the bed is going to lie on top of that. In this corner I'm still going to put a pontoon little bench thing there. Then further in front here, under this cupboard for this meter section, there's going to be a drawer that's going to come out, and then also you're going to have like a 1/2 meter table that goes out on that. That's for like an outside kitchen. Right, let's just go to the inside here. Okay, this is where the kitchen is so far. I'm using like a marble cover, but that's also like a PVC cement or PVC plastic board. This is your drawers. There's the spice rack. The dish below is going to be a dishwasher, and this is your basin on top. Microwave is in there. This is just like a little cupboard. It goes in there, and it lock obviously open. The air fryer is going to be in this piece here, this opening. The fridge is going to be in here. This is the hanging cupboard. Also, what's good about this is like a dressing area for my wife. Gives a little bit of privacy. But you got your hanging cupboard here, and there's going to be 3 drawers there with a shoe cabinet at the bottom. On this side, just to show you again, of refresh, there's going to be a door coming here to the side. This door is also closing up the toilet area, so once this is closed, you won't see the toilet, and this area here becomes part of the kitchen. Here you're going to have a door as well closing this side, and at the back here will be your shower mixer and taps and all that type of stuff will be behind this door. It's going to be 115 millimeters coming this way, meeting up with this door. So I think this whole area will be kitchen, and once you open the 2 doors, it becomes a bathroom with a shower, a toilet and everything. I hope it makes sense. And also, yeah, you got your extractor fan here to pull out all the steam and so on. Also, this will be from the backside. I will have a diesel heater coming in, So you can also open these doors, put the fan on, and at the bottom there will be a heat vent. So this will become like a clothes dryer as well. So yeah, that's basically it. Right. Good. So from the back, as I say, here where the black area is, that's going to be the bed going up there. And then you got this big L-shape lounge with a futon here. Well, that's basically it for the update. And yeah, also yes as well, there is a little door that must just still come in, be fitted. Have a good day.